How to create a new C# library project in Visual Studio 2022. Step 1. In the menu bar at the top of the screen, click on the File option. Hover your mouse pointer over New until a second menu opens to the side. Select the project item to open the Create a New Project dialog box. Note: you can open the Create a New Project dialog box using the key combination Ctrl, Shift, and the N key. Step 2. Below the search box, set the 3 drop-down boxes to filter the project types. Set the language drop-down box to C#, the platform drop-down box to Windows, and the project type to Library. This will filter the results. Select Class Library from the results below. If you have previously created a class library, you will be able to select it from the recent project templates on the side. Click the Next button at the bottom right of the dialog box to continue. Step 3. Enter a meaningful name for the project. The project name and solution name are 2 separate identifiers, but can share the same name. A new solution folder will be created in the directory that you entered under Location. A new project folder will be created in the Solution folder. If you do not plan on having more than one project in a solution, then it can be wise to select Place Solution and Project in the same directory. This will contain all solution and project information in the same folder. Ensure that the location of your project is correct by reviewing the path and click the Next button. Step 4. Select the latest framework from the drop-down box and click Create. You have successfully created a new C# library project in Visual Studio 2022. Right-click on the class.cs file and select Open Containing Folder from the menu. This will display all files that have been created with your C# library. This has been creating a new C# library in Visual Studio 2022 with Attack of the Code. Please like, subscribe, and share for more content. Attack of the Code. Concise and to the point.